guys, welcome back to the shop. Today is new cheap tool day. We can thank the guys from the Torque Test channel for influencing me on where to spend my money. So watching the old YouTubes and happened to see the newest video from Torque Test channel, and they were reviewing some electronic screwdrivers. That's not really a thing I ever thought I wanted, but I've always been a little curious. So bam. This is the Denali. That's Amazon's house brand of generic crap tools. But from watching this guy on the Torque Test channel, it kind of blew most things out of the water. I think the only thing that was faster and more powerful than it was the DeWalt that costed like $100. This guy, normally about 24, was the cheapest one they tested. I got it for 17 a little while ago on the whatchamacallit, something not Prime Day, but basically Prime Day. So anyway, fresh seal. We'll give it a quick little unboxing and see what she looks like. It is about as minimal as you can think. They did have a fancier version that I thought about getting, which is this with a case and some extra bits, but I don't really need bits. I've got hundreds of them, so I got the small one, which came with these guys. This is the basic tier. So let's see, we've got smallish flathead, a biggish flathead, a T10 and T15 Torques. Those are mostly useless. Robertson, slightly more useful. Okay, yeah, that is a Phillips at 0. That didn't look like a 0. That looks like a 1. That looks like a 2 though. But we got some Phillips, and we got a little extender. So they're bits. They're probably the chintziest crap, but that doesn't really matter. We've got a cable, USB-C, so that's always nice, keeping things in with, modern technology, mini USB. Some stuff I've seen is mini USB, not even micro. And looks like I touched it through the bag, so it's already come to life. So, yeah. It's got some amount of battery in it. That's proper torquey. Nifty. Charge port on the back. Probably give it a real proper charge beforehand. Oh. It's got different power levels. Or speeds. I don't know if that actually changes anything. Well, I'm going to charge this up and we'll give it a more proper test. All right, we are back. It's probably been just a couple seconds for you, but it's been about a month for me. So whatever sale I got this on is probably over. We're well past Black Friday now. But now I can give you a bit of an honest review. So I've used it off and on for a little while. It has been pretty good. Basically mounted a couple things in the house. Used it to take apart some bits on the MGB, door, like interior panels and whatnot. It has been pretty good. You got these like different little modes on it. And I think it's basically, yeah, the lower the mode, it just kind of cuts out after a certain torque and just acts all kind of goofy. I pretty much just leave it on the full max. Um, Issue with this is sometimes it bugs out. So I go to use it and it doesn't work. So I hit the button, doesn't do anything. Let it sit for a second, hit the button again, then it works fine. Um, it did cut out a few times while I was using it. I felt like up to max, it shouldn't be stressing. But overall, it is working pretty well. Um, I'd say the biggest issue I have with it is I really don't use an electric screwdriver. So I kind of have to remember to use it because I normally just default to a normal screwdriver. I've got plenty of good quality regular screwdrivers that aren't motorized. But it's kind of gimmicky. But if you're doing a lot of screwing, it will save your wrists. So that's nice. Obviously, you can put better bits in it. I have just been using this bit extender pretty much all the time because then it mostly just feels like a normal screwdriver if I do that. But in general, I would say it does pretty much what it does. It does it reasonably well, especially for the 20-ish, sub $30 price point. So I'd say I'd give it about a 7 out of 10. For me personally, it's more like a 5, but that's just because I just don't use electric screwdrivers day to day. But it has been pretty handy, so I'm giving it a 7 for most normal people. So if you are interested, I'd say go pick one up. It's cheap enough to where, who knows. It's also that time of year, so you might want to, get one for your handy fellow in your life. Whether he or she has one or needs one, they'd probably appreciate it. So, yeah, that's all I got to say about that. All right, that's all for now. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. So I've got my handy dandy electric screwdriver, um, and we're just going to buzz all these guys out.